Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're reviewing what we believe are the best girls' uniform socks out there. The Gymboree Girls and Toddler Crew Socks. Whether it's for school, casual outings, or everyday comfort, these socks are ticking all the right boxes. Let's get into it. Right out of the packaging, these socks scream quality. You get a 3-pack of Ruffle Crew socks that blend practicality with just the right amount of cute. A solid navy color, a sweet ruffled trim, and a look that matches almost any outfit, whether it's for uniform days or weekend fun. The material blend here is impressive: 75% cotton, 23% nylon, and 2% spandex. That means you're getting breathable softness with enough stretch to comfortably hug your child's feet all day. The rib knit cuff keeps the socks securely in place. No annoying slipping down or scrunching up in sneakers or boots. Sizes range from 12 to 24 months up to 10 to 12, so whether you have a toddler just starting daycare or a school-age child, there's a perfect fit. And for little ones who are always on the move, sizes 5T and under come with no-slip gripper soles. A thoughtful touch to prevent those accidental slips on hardwood floors. These socks hold up well after multiple washes. Gymboree recommends machine washing, and from our test runs, there's no significant fading, pilling, or stretching out of shape. They maintain their softness and structure, exactly what you want in an everyday sock. This pack isn't just functional. It's part of Gymboree's broader vision, celebrating every stage of childhood with pieces that are both playful and practical. Whether your child is in preschool, grade school, or anywhere in between, these socks are designed with care, comfort, and charm in mind. Compared to generic or bargain bin alternatives, these Gymboree socks are in a different league. The stitching is tighter, the fabric is thicker, and the design is clearly meant for long-term wear, not a few quick uses and then into the trash. For the quality you're getting, it's a fair deal. It's available in multiple toddler and child sizes, and for parents buying school essentials, this is a go-to add-on. If you're looking to build a fuller set, Gymboree also offers ankle and knee sock variations, all with the same great fabric, design, and fit. These can be paired easily for variety throughout the week. To sum it up, the Gymboree Girls and Toddler Crew socks are stylish, sturdy, and super soft. With the bonus of non-slip grips for younger kids and a school-friendly look, these are more than just socks, they're a reliable piece of your child's everyday wardrobe. So if you're in the market for high-quality, uniform-ready girls' socks that are cute, comfortable, and built to last, this 3-pack is a smart buy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews that help you shop smarter. See you next time.